The first person who disrespected your boundaries was you. We love to point fingers at others. The friend who crossed the line, the partner who kept taking, the boss who treated your time like it was disposable. But if we're honest, the first boundary violation wasn't theirs. It was yours, because every time you betray yourself, you hand the world a silent message: this is how I treat me. You can treat me the same way. Now let's go deeper into why self-betrayal even happens in the first place. Now let's talk about self-betrayal as survival. Why would anyone choose to abandon themselves? Because once upon a time, it was safer than being authentic. Maybe as a child, you wanted to cry, but you swallowed it. You wanted to scream no, but you smiled and said yes. You wanted to be wild and alive, but you learned it cost too much. So you made the trade, authenticity for belonging. And over time, that trade hardened into a habit. The habit became your identity. And now, when people disrespect you, it doesn't shock you. It feels familiar because your nervous system rehearsed it for years. On yourself. Now let's dive into the science. Mirror neurons and modeling. Humans are wired to copy each other. Mirror neurons make us reflect what we see. So when you show people you'll cross your own boundaries, they internalize the permission slip. If you stay late at work without complaint, you've taught your boss your time isn't sacred. If you laugh off a cruel joke, you've told your friends your dignity is negotiable. If you accept breadcrumbs in love, you've told your partner scraps will keep you. They're not monsters. They're mirrors. They're reflecting the way you treat yourself. Now let's explore the energetic cost, the leak inside you. Self-betrayal isn't just in your psychology. It shows up in your energy. Every time you override your gut, you puncture your life force. That's why people pleasers feel tired all the time. That's why hyper-independent women feel brittle. That's why your smile shines on the outside while your soul feels hollow. And leaks attract takers, not because they're consciously hunting you, but because life naturally fills the gaps. If you don't protect your energy, someone will consume it. Now let's move into internal permission. The shift happens the moment you stop betraying yourself. When you say no to yourself, no to overextending, no to silencing your pain, no to making yourself smaller, you revoke the permission you've been giving away. Self-respect is contagious. When you honor your boundaries, people feel it. When you keep promises to yourself, they notice. When you choose alignment over approval, your energy changes, and people either rise to meet it or they fall away. Boundaries aren't just about saying no to others. They're about saying yes to yourself. Now let's face the call out. If people keep disrespecting you, stop staring at them. Look at yourself. Where are you crossing your own lines? Where are you betraying your own needs in the name of peace? Where are you teaching others how little you value yourself? The brutal truth is this: you don't get the respect you wish for. You get the respect you model. If you demonstrate self-betrayal, that's what you'll attract. Now let's reframe self-betrayal. It's not weakness. It's not stupidity. It was survival. And if you're alive today, it worked. But survival is not the same as living. Now it's time to trade survival for sovereignty. That starts small. Catch one betrayal this week. Maybe it's the yes you didn't want to say, the silence you didn't want to hold, the truth you wanted to swallow. Catch it, reverse it, choose yourself. If this message stirred something inside you, if it made you pause, breathe, or recognize your own reflection, it's time to act. Subscribe to Goddess Vibration, because this space is where women stop performing strength and start embodying truth. And comment below, I choose me. Say it out loud. Claim it in your voice, because the moment you declare it, your energy changes. You are no longer teaching the world how to cross you. You are teaching it how to respect you.